Why humans need pain to feel true happiness. What if I told you, the happiest day of your life only felt that good because you bled for it? Stay till the end, because you'll never fear pain again. 1. The day I lost everything and felt happier than ever. I once had money, status, love, then lost it all in 72 hours. That week should have destroyed me. Instead, I woke up smiling for the first time in years. Why? Because pain ripped away the fake happiness I was addicted to. Science calls it post-traumatic growth. I call it freedom. But here's the part no one says out loud. 2. The Harvard study that shocked the world. 85 years, 724 people. The longest happiness study ever. Result? The people who suffered the most intense pain ended up the happiest. Not the richest. Not the healthiest. The ones who bled. Why? Because your brain needs contrast to feel joy. No valleys equals no peaks. But there's a darker truth. Now I'm going to reveal the Japanese art that turns your scars into gold, literally. 3. Kintsugi. Your broken pieces are worth more than perfect ones. In Japan, when a bowl breaks, they repair it with pure gold. The cracks become the most valuable part. Your wounds work the same way. Every heartbreak, every failure, every tear, is liquid gold waiting to harden. The more you break, the more beautiful you become. But only if you stop hiding the cracks. The real reason rich kids are depressed while war survivors smile every morning. 4. Why comfort is the silent happiness killer. Lottery winners, celebrities, billionaires, they have everything, except joy. Why? Their life has no resistance. No pain equals no growth equals no meaning. Your soul is a muscle. Muscles grow when they tear. Happiness grows the same way. But here's what blew my mind. Marcus Aurelius used to beg for pain every single morning. Here's exactly what he wrote. 5. The morning prayer of the most powerful man who ever lived. Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome, woke up and prayed. Today, give me obstacles. Give me pain. Give me something to overcome. He ruled the world, and still chose suffering. Because he knew, happiness without struggle is fake. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your pain tolerance. But there are exactly 5 pains you must invite. 6. The 5 pains you must fall in love with. Physical pain, the gym, cold showers. Rejection pain, hearing no 100 times. Failure pain, losing everything. Loneliness pain, sitting in silence. Discipline pain, doing it when you don't want to. Avoid these equals stay average. Embrace these equals become unstoppable. But the darkest truth is coming. Now I'm going to say something that will make most people angry, but it's the truth. 7. The truth 99% of people will hate. If you want shallow, temporary happiness, keep running from pain. If you want deep, permanent happiness, you must become addicted to pain. Yes, addicted. The happiest people on earth aren't the ones who never suffer. They're the ones who learn to crave it. Still here? Good. Because what I'm about to tell you next changed my life forever. 8. The night pain became my superpower. One night I sat alone, crying, broken. Instead of numbing it, I leaned in. I felt every second of the pain. And something shifted. The pain stopped controlling me, and started serving me. That was the night I became unbreakable. You can have the same night, but only if you do one thing. Your assignment that will change everything. 9. Your assignment, do this tonight. Tonight, before sleep. Remember your most painful memory that led to growth. Close your eyes, feel it fully, whisper, thank you. That pain wasn't your enemy, it was your greatest teacher. Do this, and tomorrow you'll wake up different. 10. Final words. Your happiness is waiting on the other side of pain. Stop running, start walking through the fire. Hit subscribe right now, because the next video drops in 24 hours. Why humans need pain and sadness, the truth that saved my life. Turn on the bell.